Struggling to stay motivated to create content that's going to get 200 views? First of all, I want you to really remember what 200 views look like, what 50 views looks like, what 1,000 views looks like. Your message is getting in front of people. You can get new clients from videos with 200 views. You can get new clients with accounts that only have 150 followers. So keep going. Second thing to do is to keep analyzing and optimizing your content. When you don't have a ton of followers and a ton of views, it's important to pay attention to the amount of comments that it's getting, the amount of saves that it's getting, the content that is getting more followers. Create more of that. And last, and my favorite, the quote about the pounding of the rock. When nothing seems to help, I go and look at a stonecutter hammering away at his rock, perhaps 100 times without as much of a crack showing in it. Yet at the 101st blow, it will split in two, and I know it was not that blow that did it, but all that had gone before.